So this is my Keychron K-10 Pro. I'm on the VIA app right now, and there's a lot of things that you can do with it apparently, but the one thing I'm interested in is the RGB. Lighting, brightness, obviously solid color is what I've chosen, blue. But what I would like to do, I'm sorry, was that? I don't have a mount. Is allocate the WASD keys as maybe like individually a red and everything else would be blue, and 1 through 5 maybe have those like an orange or a green, things like that. Like it seems to me like you can only do the whole keyboard with this app. Now I'm hearing that there's this new one coming out called Vial. Kind of funny.